Hello everyone, welcome to RepSetFit, a health and fitness channel dedicated to women in the beginner and intermediate stages of a lifestyle change. This is the very first video and I am so excited to share as much information with you as possible. My name is Tiffany and I'm the founder of RepSetFit, and I'm a weight loss coach and body transformation specialist. In this video, you are going to find out who, what, when, where, why, and how RepSetFit is going to transform your body and get you into the best shape of your life and living a healthier lifestyle. As I mentioned before, this channel is geared toward women who are in the beginner stages of living a more healthy and fit lifestyle. So for a long time, I noticed that most fitness videos, trends, and even influencers are gearing their content and their programs around moderate intensity to vigorous intensity training. So what is vigorous intensity training? Those are exercises where you see women who are flipping tires and they're jumping on and off boxes, doing pull-ups, slamming ropes on the ground and abusing their core, their abs, and of course the hundreds of glute exercises just to get that perfect body. And I don't believe there's anything wrong with this type of training. However, mainstream fitness content is designed for women who are already healthy, they're already active, and they have a great foundation and proper health and fitness habits. So while I've been highly active all my life, what about the woman whose heart, lungs, muscles, and bones haven't been put through the same stress in months, years, or possibly ever? The question is, should those women still engage in those vigorous intensity workouts? And I believe the answer is a huge no. All right, a few statistics for you. More than 50% of people that start a new program are gonna drop out within the first 6 months. And that's with moderate intensity programs, which means that you don't have to be swimming in a pool of your own sweat to say, you know what, I give up, I'm not doing this anymore. What about vigorous intensity programs? The dropout rate is almost twice as high as moderate intensity programs. So why isn't there more content to get women started in fitness and truly help women succeed? I personally believe that it's more financially lucrative to sell a woman a dream with no obligation to follow through. I mean, most fitness companies know that women won't complete a program or take advantage of a gym on a consistent basis. Sure, women and a lot of people go to the gym every new year with a New Year's resolution, but a lot of times they don't consistently go after a certain time. But women still want that body transformation and they should have it. So instead of being frustrated about it, I decided to start RepSetFit, which is geared towards women who want to continue towards that body transformation. So who is this channel for? All right, RepSetFit, as we've talked about earlier, is dedicated to helping women, generally in their 20s, 30s, and 40s, who are just beginning or getting back into a proper health and fitness lifestyle. So if you've never engaged in any type of regimented fitness during your adult life, this channel is going to be for you. And if you've been sedentary and active, sitting on the couch, Netflix and chilling pretty hard, don't worry, a lot of us have been doing it for a while, months, years, maybe even a decade, this is going to be the channel to help you. And as far as nutrition goes, if you don't look at the back of your food labels when you go grocery shopping, you know, this channel is going to help you out. And not just help you with looking at the back of your food labels, but also cutting out fast food completely. And back to the fitness portion, if you want to walk up a flight of steps without feeling like you're going to collapse, or you want to wear form-fitting clothing without having to wear Spanx that force you to suck it all in, and you want to have energy to run around the park with your kids, or simply be proud of your body every time you walk past the mirror, this is going to be the channel for you. If you're ready to move toward a healthier lifestyle and go through a body transformation, really, I just encourage you to hit that subscribe button right now, because that's what RepSetFit and this channel is all about. What type of content can you expect from RepSetFit? So there's going to be a lot of content on how much exercise is recommended for you to get started in fitness. We're going to talk about body shape and composition, like that apple pear debate. I'm going to share some of my favorite gadgets and electronics that aid me in my workout. And we're going to talk a little bit through health and fitness myths. I'll also take you into the kitchen, show you what I eat to get and stay lean, and my must-have kitchen gadgets. As far as nutrition, we're going to break down macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and talk a bit about willpower when it comes to eating those sweets and fried foods and soda. And also there's going to be a ton of how-to videos, right? So if you're in the beginner stages of changing, whether it be your nutrition or fitness, you want to know, okay, how do I do it? What steps do I follow? So there's going to be how-to videos like how to dominate in the gym once you're ready to start in the gym, how to start working out from home, how to use gym equipment, right? How not to gain 10 pounds while you go on vacation or on that work trip. Also, how to calculate your daily caloric intake, right? So how many calories should you be eating per day to lose weight? Listen, the list could go on and on about nutrition and health and fitness because it is so much to talk about. So I am going to be covering a lot. And so that means a lot of videos and hopefully a lot of information to get you to where you want to be in your body transformation journey. Next is, when should you expect the RepSet videos to be released? So the goal is to drop at least one video every Sunday so you can start your week off with some motivation and tips to help you and get you progressing through the week. So these videos are set up to piggyback on one another, right? So each week, if you follow along, your body transformation journey should be visible. I want this channel to be just as much yours as it is mine, because the end goal really is to educate, inspire, and meet life-changing health and fitness goals. Where can you find me, RepSetFit, and all of this awesome content? Okay, so YouTube is going to contain the most straightforward information you can consume in video form, right? Because that's what the platform is made for. But also on IGTV. So these videos are going to be there also. So Instagram is also a great way to connect with me, stay up to date on all the latest in the world of RepSetFit. The content on Instagram, of course, again, because the platform is made like this, is more visual. So with photos, inspirational quotes, short videos, as well as daily stories and occasional live feeds. Be sure to follow RepSetFit on Instagram at the handle rep.set.fit. All right, guys, thanks for sticking with me through the first RepSet video. If you think this channel is going to help you get closer to achieving your health and fitness goals, please subscribe below. And if you like any of the information I provided, please hit the like button. And if you know someone who's going to benefit from this channel and all the valuable info it has to offer, please share it. Listen, stick with me. I got you. We got this body transformation journey on lock, right? And lastly, as I mentioned above, this is your channel. So leave a comment, question, or any feedback that's going to be useful in making this channel the best channel for you to reach your goals. Peace out, guys. I'll see you next week with some more.